This is going to be reading for all signs collective messages from your person. So all that you need to know about your situation, your connection. So let's start. What's your person going through right now? This is possible going to focus more on soulmate twin flames. Okay. So let's start. What's your person going through right now? Prince of Pentacles. Right now, your person has kept things very much stagnant. It's not like they are out, but they're not in as well. Okay, with Two of Cups, things in the past could have been in somewhat good terms, or you guys were in some which talking terms. Okay, top card we have here is Queen of Pentacles. Deep down, this person still thinks about you, cares about you, still wants to nurture the idea that this connection can grow somewhere. Okay, one more card in terms of what's this person up to when it comes to this connection. So we have Queen of Pentacles. This person still wants this connection. They very much want this connection to go forward, even if they are behaving the complete opposite, or you think that. Okay, with the Moon card right now, there is no communication or very less communication. Even if there is communication, there is no clarity. Okay, in terms of Two of Cups here, this person does consider you their other half. Okay, but sometimes the person can consider you their other half and still not want to work on it, right? So yes, in terms of their intentions towards you now, what are their intentions towards you, please? With Five of Wands, this person will try to get your attention. Okay, I see this person or like working towards it. Okay, top card we have is Ace of Pentacles. So definitely within this very week, I feel many of you guys, this person will wanna possibly reach out in a direct way or an indirect way. Indirect way could be getting your attention through pictures, memes, or whatever that they share on social media. Okay, one more card in terms of what action we will take towards you now. In terms of action for now, with the Hermit card, this person is still wanting to take more time. Okay, so you can expect this person to reach out in the next couple of days, not so soon, in the next couple of days. For now, this person is thinking it through. I believe they have a plan in mind. Most of them, I believe, are still wanting to get your attention the indirect way, that is posting a picture or just trying to seduce you, or trying to send a meme and getting a reaction and then starting the conversation. So take however it resonates. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings for you, how do they feel for you now? In terms of feelings, we have Eight of Swords. So to be very honest, this person does not very much think of this of their feelings as healthy. They somewhat feel stuck to you. Okay, sometimes they are not wanting to stay stuck to you, yet they feel stuck to you. Okay, top card we have is Ace of Cups, but they cannot deny the fact that they still have feelings for you. Okay, like they have some strong shit. Time and again, this person has tried to move on, but they cannot. Okay, in terms of their heart space, how do they feel for you now? In their head space, we have Eight of Swords. Okay, in their heart space, let's see. Okay, in their heart space with Three of Wands, this person is very much wanting to look forward to this, but they are wanting to come at their own time with Knight of Pentacles. So this person might be slow, but they are coming. Okay, bottom card we have the World card. So in the past, this connection, like when I say the past, I mean the past couple of months or weeks, this connection has come to a conclusion or a solid confirmation, like, you know, like this is not going to work, this is going to work. Oh my god, this person has put me into a third party. You guys do know about something, like you guys have got an idea as to what might happen. Okay, with Knight of Cups here, this person is very much going to want to come forward. Okay, in terms of how do they view you now? Eight of Wands, I still believe this person is highly passionate about you, or they still think about you. Sometimes they think about you at night and try to touch themselves as well. Okay, with the Devil card, this is very, very sexual. Okay, top card we have is Judgment. However, they have got the awakening that it is more than just sex. Okay, it is way more than that. Okay, in terms of what do they want with you now? with Five of Swords. Please clarify. This person is still wanting that drama with you. Okay, still wanting that push and pull. Okay, on and off. Still wanting to trigger you. Still wanting to get a reaction out of you. So it's still very much childish. With King of Pentacles, I believe this person is someone who is very much focused on themselves. Might be a businessman or a businesswoman who is very much focused on his or her lifestyle status. With the Six of Pentacles, this is someone who is very much considers finances as like as something that one must have. Okay, if you guys are not doing well financially, no matter how much they love you or no matter what you think they have for you, they won't choose you, because according to them, a person must be very much balanced. That is a very good balance of emotions. At the same time, one should be successful. If you guys are not successful, or you guys do not fit the category that they want in a person, then I'm sorry, this person won't choose you. Okay, one more card in terms of how do they feel about you when they miss you. This person, even if they miss you, they don't initiate that conversation, or they don't willingly talk to you. They do things in a very indirect way. So they have a lot of pride, lot of ego issues that very much get in the way. Bottom card, in the past things could have been very cordial, but now they are not. Now it's like a game. Why should I reach out? Why last time I reached out, let this person reach out this time. So that shit is continuing for a long time now. With Nine of Cups, this person is very, very selfish. So once they get that reaction from you, once that they get that attention from you, then they go silent, and then you're like, what the fuck is this about? You come to me, you message me, you try to get a reaction out of me, and then you go silent. Okay, so one more card in terms of your overall intention when it comes to this connection, please. Five of Pentacles. So I'll be very honest to you. This person is not wanting to build on it. They are rather wanting to just keep it around. Like, I mean, this would be very triggering for many of you. They just want you to be around them. They don't want to face the fact that they have lost you or they will lose you. They want you to be around. Okay, and that's that for now. Okay, in terms of where things are going for now, they don't want to build on it. They don't want a marriage or a commitment. No. I only see this person wanting to possibly have you around. That is it. With Eight of Pentacles, they are so bloody practical that even if they have shit for you or strong feelings for you, they choose to suppress that or not want to face that in order to fit or be a part of something that they physically feel is best for them. Or like when it comes to finances or looks maybe or success maybe. Okay, one card for how do they view the connection. With the Moon card, they moreover look at it as an affair, as something that they wish not to make official. Okay, something that they want to keep secretive. With the Ten of Wands, they always come to you when they get fucked up, right? Please do comment and let me know in the comment section. So let's go to your messages now. What do you need to know about this idiot that you are dealing with? So let's start. For many of you, I have a straight message. Choose a different direction. Okay, it's me, not you. I'm sorry. Then we have. So in the past, I believe you still had hope, but right now you're losing it. Right now you're even doubting whether it's love or friendship or just obsession. Okay. Second message from their side. Can we still stay friends? So they don't want to lose you. They'll still at least want to have you around. Regardless if you're married, unmarried, having a relationship, having kids, it doesn't matter. They still want you around. Okay. Last we have is silent treatment. So the silent treatment has been going on for a while now. You both are doing it to each other. Okay. And what you need to know in the coming days. So to be very honest, for many of you, this person is more focused on their work and responsibility than you. Okay, and for many of you, I'm also getting looks matter in the reverse. So this person might not be saying it out loud, but for them, either looks, if it's not looks, then finances. Okay, I know this was a super triggering reading, but this is what I have for you for today. All that I need to know about your situation. This is mostly going to relate to people who are in separation or somewhat in separation. I've also done Libra in third party or Libra in separation reading. If you guys are Libra and would want to watch that, it's up on Etsy. You can go and purchase it. It's up for $3, I believe. Yes. So, well, this reading resonated, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. All those who wish to get a personal reading from me, please visit my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and please let me know in the comment section how you like my readings, because I like to keep things very straightforward. They might come off raw, unfiltered, but that's how I do it. Okay, so yes, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.